Hey folks, Steven here with 501 Parts. We've got some wheel bearings here that we've got in and we've got available for sale. We kind of wanted to go over, kind of show you a really good close-up video here and talk about them a little bit. So this is a Koyo brand wheel bearing. You can see the part number right here on it. This is a really quality wheel bearing, double roller type wheel bearing. Each side will spin independently. They're sealed internally here, so there's no seals required on most machines that take this bearing. These fit the Grizzly 660, T-Rex, Arctic Cat, several different models here. But make sure to check our description and our listing, because some only fit the front, some fit front and rear, etc. So please check that listing here. I don't want you to get the wrong thing, but if we can help you with anything, shoot us an email on here. You can check us out, 501parts.com. Reach out to us there if we can help you with anything. We've put a little kind of a helpful information in the description there, what you want to do. So when you're replacing a wheel bearing, when you get these the night before, when you get them the night before you're going to do it, put them in the freezer. I know that sounds funny, but it'll shrink it just a little bit. You know, and it'll help when you're going to put it in. So when you knock, you probably have to end up pressing your old bearings out, or take a big socket and beat them out with a big hammer. But if once you get those out, make sure you clean the bore of your hub up really well. Sometimes you might be able to take some emery cloth, slick it up real good, get the dirt, mud, and debris out of it. Make sure there's no burrs on there or anything. And then you'll have this bearing fresh out of the freezer. Take you a little bit of wheel bearing grease and wipe around it, and then set it squarely on the hub, and you can start it lightly with a hammer. Once you get to tapping around it, make sure it's seating evenly, and then go ahead and just press it on in. A bearing press works really good. If you have it, make sure you press on the outside here, not on the in. You don't want to press here on the inside, because you end up pushing the inner race out there. You don't want to do that, so make sure you press on the outside of it. So just a few tips there, and just kind of want to show off these bearings that we have here. So like I said, if we can help you with anything, please let us know. Thanks for watching.